Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to create a business portfolio hero image using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load my strongest portfolio image. I stop here because portfolio visuals speak before words. I convert the layer into a smart object to protect quality. I open Camera Raw filter and slowly activate Super Zoom. I increase the zoom carefully and pause. Business portfolios should feel confident, not exaggerated. I reduce noise and soften transitions. I zoom in to textures and check edges. Everything must feel premium. I slightly lower the zoom amount because